Next time I look out here, there'll be an awning.
See?
What you checking here? You're too close. I can't see you, man. Up there.
Hello, hi, sky in the sky, hi. I'm just going to take some brackets off here and move them so that when we put the awning on we can anchor it. Otherwise it'll just close. So I need to put an anchor point here and in the front so I can tie it here and wrap it around, pole it and tie it in the front. Took this little bracket off.
Yeah.
So I can pop rivet it on the solar panel that side like that. Then I can pull the one arm of the awning where it latches in, and I can hook it in here with a rope, with a ball.
Okay.
That can't come loose.
Okay.
That's what I'm trying to do.
Are you chucking it? Isn't that what you use the chuck for?
No.
What do you use the chuck for?
To put it in.
Oh. So what were you doing?
I was changing the drill.
Oh, okay. Women don't know these things.
The drill bit.
Okay.
I'm just busy heating the ends up of the nylon rope to join it so it doesn't fray.
Okay. So Graham, you can see the mess. We are just getting ready for the awning to go up. I can't wait.
Job, eh?
Yeah.
This awning is a messy job. I just want you to give me this.
Oh, by the way, I wasn't filming you after all that.
When?
It wasn't even on
now,
filming.
It's a big mix up here.
Oh, okay. Well, Graham's gonna
Tell me.
make leads like this with wood at the top
This one,
coming
yeah.
through, yeah?
So that when you open the bag, it'll go to the pole. So it'll hold this whole top of the bag, or this side of the bag, open and not flip over the solar cells to stop the electricity from the sun.
Okay.
All through the material.
You're pricking.
I'm pricking a hole through there to get the rope through. Not a very pretty thing. It should be eyed and all that, but I don't have the machinery.
Yeah.
So what I'm doing is I've put these inside so the load gets spread on the whole of the canvas, not just that
okay,
point.
so it won't break
Fray
the
out,
plastic.
yeah.
Okay.
That's the idea. Just like that. And then this comes through here. Like this.
Yeah.
There.
Mm-hmm.
And pull it out.
And the stick goes up in there.
That.
Okay.
Then that'll hold like that. For that area.
Yeah.
Instead of just the basic point there.
Yes.
Which won't rip the vinyl. It's vinyl.
Okay. Do you need help?
No.
Graham made this whole thing himself.
Yes.
Yeah. He's so clever. He's like a real handyman. It's called a what's it called?
270.
270 awning. It goes right around. So he made it from watching YouTube and then made it himself.
Look at that. Not bad, eh? Not at all.
Graham putting the awning up.
So let's put a hole here.
When you ain't got a workshop, this is what you do. Oh, look at that cute little thing.
It's a vernier to measure vernier.
Okay.
Look how big this is. So you look like this. Look here.
Yeah.
See, now you read there. It's 8 millimeter. 10 millimeter, 9, 8. The bottom is on 8.
Before
It must be spontaneous, eh? Yeah, I see.
Sing!
No, man, I can't remember the words, babe. The colors of the rainbow. Pretty in the sky. I see.
Friends shaking hands. And it's very low. So it's a Chinese table.
We protect from
What?
invaders.
Yes, luck. Eat. So this is now Jaunti with the full 280. 270 awning. Looking good.
With its water drain points.
Yeah. So the back's covered. Looking good.
These are the drain points. My bed so the water can run off. Okay, so what we've done now is we've got the canopy up, the awning that I made, the 270, you can see it's this side. We've pitched it down so the water can run off, and also at the back over here, so that goes right around to the other side. So we've got cover from there, right around the back, right around to the front. Awesome. Okay, so this is the little dingy toy. Next to it is Jaunti up here. Show a little bit of this. You can see the whole awning up there. It's actually quite nice. Came out very nice. Very nice. Little corner. Tied onto the end there. This is an extra addition that I put on because I wanted the door here, this place, to be protected as well. Little eye lights. And if you look along between the spars, I've pulled the net, the awning down so that the water can roll off here if it rains, which it did. Worked quite well. So yeah, I think we got a nice awning going here. This is the other corner. And it goes right around there, all the way around to the end of the van here. And it's also tied off at the top there. There's a little, you can see there's a little thing up there that ties that back end up. Looks nice. Oh, and we can peek inside and we see nobody in here. Oh, there she is.
Nice damn.
But Mondays everything is closed, huh?
It's hot like this. Oh! Oh!